Here are some common phrases in spoken English that you can use in various situations. 1. Greetings. Hello. Hi there. Good morning, afternoon, evening. How are you? Two. Introductions. My name is, your name. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do for a living? Three. Expressing gratitude. Eight. Apologizing. I'm sorry. I apologize for my mistake. I didn't mean to offend you. Please forgive me. 9. Farewells. Goodbye. See you later. Take care. Have a nice day, evening. The key is to practice these phrases in context and continue expanding your vocabulary and conversational skills as you progress in your English learning journey.